डियर क्लास 11 स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम आप लोगों के लिए कंप्यूटर का जो एआई ने पेपर बना के दिया है या प्रिडिक्ट किया, जिस तरह पहले पेपर बना के दिए थे उनमें से काफ़ी चीज़ें आ रही थी, इसमें से भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें आएंगी। शुरू करते हैं। स्मार्ट सिलेबस वाली चीज़ें जो थी एक्सक्लूड, उनको निकाल दिया गया। ये आपके सामने अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एमसीक्यूज़ वाला और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो है उसकी स्कीम दी गई है। तो अब आगे फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 4 देखेंगे और फिर लॉन्ग की तरफ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चलते हैं। पहले मरूजी सवालात की तरफ चलते हैं। द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल (SDLC) इज टू deliver high quality software within time and cost estimates. A type of requirement specifying system performance and constraints is known as non-functional requirements, which is crucial aspect of comprehensive project planning to understanding the project scope and tasks. आगे चलते हैं। द ऑपरेटर यूज्ड फॉर एक्सपोनेंशिएशन इन पाइथन इज, तो ये एस्टेरिक्स डबल वाले। आगे कंप्यूटेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स वेयर द रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट इज अ सिंपल यस और नो आर क्लासिफाइड एज डिसीजन प्रॉब्लम्स। एन ऑपरेशन दैट रिमूव्स एन आइटम फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक इज कॉल्ड, तो पॉप कहते हैं उसको। आगे द स्केयर ऑफ द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज नोन एज वेरियंस। A line graph is most useful for showing trends over time. आगे a cloud development deployment model combining public and private cloud features is called hybrid cloud. आगे the type of harmful software that secretly monitors user activity is spyware. आगे है which of the following does not fall under the category of इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी आईपी, तो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। आगे है द बूलियन ऑपरेटर यूज्ड टू एक्सक्लूड अ स्पेसिफिक टर्म फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन सर्च रिजल्ट्स इज नॉट। आगे विच क्राइटेरिया is primarily used to evaluate the authority and reliability of an online research source, तो or the author's credentials and expertise. आगे a technique commonly used during the ideation phase of design thinking to brainstorming. The primary goal of entrepreneurship is to solve problems and create value. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं। तो डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फंक्शनल एंड नॉन फंक्शनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है। तो स्पेसिफिक बिहेवियर ऑफ फंक्शन और फंक्शन ऑफ द सिस्टम डिफाइन करना है पहले। तो आउटलाइन एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द सिस्टम शुड डू, रजिस्टर यूजर्स, बोरो बुक्स, डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू यूजर इंटरेक्शन एंड सिस्टम टास्क। आगे नॉन फंक्शनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स डिफाइन क्वालिटी एट्रीब्यूट्स, परफॉर्मेंस क्राइटेरिया एंड कंस्ट्रेंट्स। उसके अलावा आउटलाइन हाउ द सिस्टम शुड परफॉर्म, हैंडल 100 यूजर्स, 1000 users, 99% uptime, related to system performance, security and usability. Again, what is testing phase important in the software development lifecycle (SDLC)? Provide two reasons. Testing is the process of checking software to identify any bugs, errors or issues before release. It acts as a critical quality check, verifying functionality. So it ensures all features of the software work exactly according to initial specification and design requirements. Functionality testing ensures reliability and performance. It guarantees the software performs well under different conditions like high traffic and is compatible across various devices, leading to higher customer satisfaction. आगे आ जाता है डिस्क्राइब द रोल ऑफ स्प्रिंट्स इन एजाइल methodology. तो a sprint is a short time boxed cycle or iteration, usually 1-4 weeks, during which a specific functional part of the software is developed and completed. Primary role or rapid delivery क्या है? Allows teams to deliver functional components of the software quickly rather than waiting for the entire project to be finished. Primary role, early feedback. By completing short cycles, teams can present work to stakeholders, gather feedback early, and adapt to changes immediately in the next sprint, making the process highly flexible. Differentiate between waterfall model and agile methodology. Waterfall क्या है? Linear and sequential. Each phase must be 100% complete before moving the next. Flexibility high, inflexible, going back to make changes is difficult and costly. Best for small projects with strictly fixed, unchanging requirements. Process क्या है agile methodology का? Iterative and cyclic development happens in short functional sprints. Highly flexible, readily adapts to changing requirements and ongoing user feedback. Best for complex projects where needs may evolve during development. आगे आ जाता है differentiate integer and float data types in Python. Provide example of each. तो integer क्या है? int जिसको लिखते हैं हम लोग, तो represents whole numbers without any fractional or decimal part. They can be positive, negative or zero. For example, age 16, temperature -5. Float represent real numbers containing a decimal point or fractional part used for more precise measurements. For example, height 5.9, pi value 3.14, 159. तो आगे आ जाता है हमारे पास how do default parameters work in Python functions. So concept default parameters allow a function to be called without providing a functional value for every argument. When a defining function, you assign a default value to parameter using the operator. If the user passes a value during function call, it overrides the default. If the user omits the argument, the function automatically uses the predefined value default value, preventing the errors and simplifying functional calls. Syntax example: mental model. The def greet name student. For example, calling greet uses students while greet Ali uses Ali. Acha, write the syntax of a simple if-else statement in Python. The if-else statement evaluates a Boolean condition. If true, the if blocks executes. If false, the else block executes. Proper indentation is structurally required in Python. If condition block of code to execute if condition is true statement, else block of code to execute if condition is false statement. As आगे, why is it important to evaluate the reliability of online sources? Ensuring accuracy. Anyone can publish content online. Evaluating source ensures the information is factually correct, peer reviewed and supported by valid evidence rather than misinformation or fake news. Identifying bias. Many websites have underlying commercial, political or ideological agendas. Evaluating reliability helps identify these biases to maintain objectivity in research. Academic professional integrity. Using unverified or poor quality sources undermines the credibility of your own work, projects or academic papers. So why is it important for user to understand the terms of use and digital platforms? So legal contract, the term of use form are legally binding agreements between user and the service provider. Understanding them prevents unintentional legal violations. Data privacy, they outline exactly what personal data the platform collects, how it is stored, and whether it is sold to third parties, which is critical for protecting personal privacy. User rights and restriction, they clarify what content users are allowed to post, who owns the copyright to that content, and what behavior could result in the account being permanently banned. आगे चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 की तरफ. स्कीम आपके सामने लिख दी है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 के लिए. शुरू कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को. समराइज द की आइडिया बिहाइंड greedy algorithms. They build solutions piece by piece, always choosing the next piece that offers the most immediate benefit, the local optimum within the goal of reaching a goal optimum. आगे differentiate between well-defined and ill-defined problems. So well-defined, clear goals, specific constraints, obvious starting ending points. Ambiguous goals, unclear constraints, multiple or subjective solutions. Outline main steps involved in generate and test method. To generate a possible solution, test the solution against the problem constraints. Stop if it solves the problem, otherwise repeat. What is edge computing? A distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the data sources, the edge of the network, rather than relying on a central cloud. This improves the response times, and saves bandwidth. Differentiate between elasticity and on-demand access in cloud computing. तो on-demand access क्या है कि manual human initiated provisioning of cloud resources when needed. Elasticity, automatic dynamic scaling of resources up or down, strictly based on real-time work load demand. Describe the concept of serverless architecture, a cloud execution model where the provider dynamically manages the allocation and provisioning of servers. Developers focus entirely on writing application code, abstracting away all infrastructure management. What do you mean by PaaS? Give an example solutions on platform as a service. PaaS provides a ready to use cloud platform, hardware, software infrastructure, allowing customers to develop, run, and manage applications without building the underlying environment. Why is it important for user to understand terms of use? It establishes a legally binding agreement. Understanding it clarifies the user's rights, data privacy boundaries, and acceptable behaviors while protecting the provider through limitations of liability. आगे है what differentiate phishing and farming. So relies on deceptive communications, fake email checks, requires user action, clicking a malicious link, goal trick users into voluntarily handing over credentials. So farming relies on exploiting a DNS server's vulnerabilities. No user click required, secretly redirects legitimate web traffic to fake sites, harvest data automatically when the user attempts to log into the fake site. अब आगे है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. शुरू कर रहे हैं. अब आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 स्कीम आपको पहले दिखा दी थी. How the insert function works in Python list. It adds an element at a specific index without deleting others existing element. Shift to right list in dot insert index element. Differentiate between NQ and DQ operations in queue. Solution zone follows first in first output FIFO principle. So in queue adding an element to the rear back of the queue, then DQ क्या होता है, removing an element from the front of the queue. आगे what is discuss the role of leaf node and root node in a tree. तो root node, the absolute top node in a tree data structure, it has no parent. Leaf node, the terminal nodes at the bottom of the leaf structure, they have no children. Briefly describe two types of data visualization. So bar charts ideal for comparing categorical data using rectangular bars. Line graphs best for showing trends and changes in data over continuous period of time. Define probability with an example. The mathematical measure of the likelihood that an event will occur expressed as a number between 0 and 1. For example, flipping a fair coin has a probability of 0.5 or 50% of landing on heads. Find the median of 6 students scored 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Dataset is ordered. Total items n is equal to 6. Even numbers. Identify two middle values 60 and 70. Formula median is equal to value 1 plus value 2 divided by 2. Calculation 60 plus 70 over 2, 130 by 2 is equal to 65. Briefly define entrepreneurship, the active process of designing, launching, and running a new business venture. It involves identifying a market need and taking on financial risks with the ultimate goal of generating profit and creating value. What is the main focus of design thinking? It is deeply human-centric approach to innovation. Its main focus is on empathy, understanding user needs, challenging assumptions, and rapidly prototyping to redefine complex, ill-defined problems and create practical solutions. Explain the importance of a business pitch. A business pitch is the critical communication tools used by entrepreneurs to articulate their business idea and value, proposition concisely to external audience, securing funding, persuading investors or banks to provide capitals, build partnership, attracting co-founders or strategic business allies, generate interest, validating the idea with early stakeholders and generating market momentum. आगे ये हमारा हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 भी। अब लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस की तरफ हम लोग चल रहे हैं। तो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन की स्कीम जो है वो लिखी हुई है आपके सामने, ठीक है। ये आप लोग पढ़ लें और आगे चलते हैं। राइट अ पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग यूजिंग व्हाइल लूप टू प्रिंट ऑल द ऑड नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 and 100, आल्सो काउंट एंड प्रिंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड नंबर्स। वेटेज ब्रेक डाउन, अच्छा ये तो मार्क्स लिखे हुए हैं ना, यहाँ से शुरू है। डोंट फॉरगेट टू इनिशियलाइज both the loop variable and the counter। इनिशियलाइज हैशटैग इनिशियलाइज वेरिएबल, ये सारे कॉमे डैशें वगैरह जो भी इक्वल हैं सही सही लिखने हैं। नंबर इज इक्वल टू 100, ऑड काउंट इज इक्वल टू 100, लूप फ्रॉम 1 to 100, वाइल नंबर इज इक्वल, ये भी साथ है ग्रेटर लेस देन वाला, इक्वल टू लेस देन ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 100 इफ नंबर टू, if number percentage to exclamatory sign equal to 0, check if odd। modulo operator percentage checks for remainders if exclamatory sign is equal to 0 means it is an odd number। और बाकी का ये सारा खुद ही पढ़ लें, ठीक है। crucial step increment the main numbers outside the if block to avoid infinite loop। आगे आ जाता है हमारे पास discuss differentiate between a time complexity and space complexity, how do they impact the choice of an algorithm for a specific problem। तो diagnostic comparison matrix time complexity, the amount of time or total computational operations an algorithm takes to run the to completion as a function of the input size, primary focus, processing speed and execution time, expressed using big O notation, for example O n or O n square। आगे space complexity definition, the total amount of memory RAM an algorithm requires to execute and complete its task based on the input size, primary focus, memory consumption and storage overhead। measurement also expressed using big O notation for memory allocation, tip examiner use big O notation examples in your definition to secure maximum conceptual marks। अच्छा आगे चलते हैं। impact on algorithm choice, continued impact on algorithm, the space time trade off, engineers rarely get both optimal speed and optimal memory, the choice depends entirely on hardware constraints and the specific problem। when to choose time optimized in real time system like video streaming or financial trading where fast execution is mandatory if it requires there's massive amounts of RAM। when to choose space optimized in memory constrained environments like embedded system, IoT devices or microcontrollers where saving RAM is more critical than processing speed। आगे define graph, differentiate between directed and undirected graphs। So graph, a non-linear data structure consisting of a finite set of vertices, nodes connected by edges links। Undirected graphs, edges have no direction, relationships are two-way symmetrical, if node A is connected to node B you can transverse A or B। Analogy, a two-way street or a friendship network। Directed graphs, diagraphs, edges have a specific direction, arrows, relationships are one way, asymmetrical, if node X points to node Y you cannot transfer X to Y। Analogy, a one way street or Twitter X followers। आगे explain data collection method। So the systematic process of gathering observations or measurements to answer research questions and evaluate outcomes। The primary data collection first hand, surveys and questionnaires, standardized forms sent to large audience, interviews, one-on-one, structured or unstructured conversations, observations, monitoring and recording subjects in real-time environments, secondary data collection, existing sources, database extraction, querying existing company or public database, web scraping, automated extraction or of data from websites, public records and reports using governments or industry published statistics, explain the common clauses found in terms of use and describe how they protect both the service provider and the user। So anatomy of term use, user conduct and acceptable use defines the what behaviors are permitted and prohibited on the platforms, for example no spamming, no illegal content, intellectual property, IP rights, clarifies who owns the content, usually states that the providers own the platform software while defining who owns user generated content, for example copyrights, trademarks, limitations of liability and termination caps the financial damages a user can claim against the company and outlines the right to ban user who violates. आगे how it protects the service provider. Legal immunity protects the company from the catastrophic lawsuits if the service experiences downtime or data loss. Control and enforcement gives them the legal authority to terminate abusive accounts and remove harmful contracts. How it protects the user's data. Transparency clearly outlines how the user's personal data will be collected, stored, and utilized. Rights clarification ensures users know they retain ownership of their original uploaded content and outlines their right to cancel the सर्विस. आगे स्टेप वन कोड अच्छा ये तो वो है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा क्या हो गया, पेपर खत्म हो गया. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आप लोग एमसीक्यूज में कुछ पूछ सकते हैं.